Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, then click all. Thanks! Here are the things that I am using in this video. I will be, of course, using the stamping plate that I showed you, the stamper, a scraper, Madam Glam's no wipe top coat, and I'm using a one-step gel polish from Madam Glam. It's called Dance in the Snow. And then I'm stamping with Born Pretty Store's stamping polishes. They're the best around, I swear. And also I am using their no smudge top coat. I have two coupon codes for you on the screen right now. I have Denise 30 for 30% off your order at Madam Glam, and Denise 20 for 20% off your order at Born Pretty Store. I like to call this technique multicolor stamping, and the reason for that is because I can use different colors of stamping polish on one image, and it's just really easy to do. And there's a lot of images out there that you can do this technique with, and it's just really simple. And I mean, with the Easter eggs, hey, you know Easter eggs are all different colors. Here I'm just using my scraper to take off the bits that are on the stamper that I don't want to end up on my nail. I have my nails painted in a one-step gel polish from Madam Glam. The color is Dance in the Snow. And I like using one-step gel polishes because your nails don't end up looking really bulky because the base and the top coat are in one-step gel polishes. And when you stamp over gel polish, if you make a mistake, you can use acetone to take off the stamp and re-stamp as many times as you want, and your manicure is not ruined. I don't know about the rest of you out there, but I really love stamping. And I have a lot of stamping plates and I haven't been using them. And I thought, well, you know what? I'm gonna start stamping because it's something that I really like to do. And there's different techniques that you can do with stamping. And I thought, well, you know, I'm wearing my natural nails, except for two nails. And I thought, well, you know, I'm just gonna start stamping and making some stamping videos because I find it really fun. I don't know, what do you guys think? Do you like stamping? Let me know in the comments. I'd really like to know if you like stamping. I mean, I have all these stamping plates and I want to put them to good use. When I do this technique, I like to have all the colors that I'm using right in a row from the first color on the left going to the right. I loosen all the bottles and I just set the lid down in there. And so when I'm ready for a color, I just pick it and put it on, put it back, go on to the next one. The only thing you have to worry about is that you don't knock them over. And now I need to top coat it with Born Pretty's No Smudge top coat. And if you're a stamper, you need this. You need this. This stuff works great. All I need to do is just use the No Smudge top coat over top of the image, and that's it. And then I'll let this dry for 1 minute, and then I will use a gel top coat over it. Alright, and now it's time to use Madam Glam's No Wipe Top Gel. Okay, so I'm going to be using Madam Glam's Elixir Cuticle Oil. Can you pick out the one nail that isn't real? Made with my natural gel. Bet you can't pick out the one. I think it turned out cute. Nothing like Easter eggs for Easter. So I hope you have a happy, blessed Easter, and be on the lookout because I'll be having my next nail design done on both hands. It's a tortoise shell. Tortoise shell is really popular right now, and I recently got some new tortoise shell sunglasses for summer. So yeah, be watching for that. Thanks so much for being here. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.